आपसे जानना चाहते थे, बीच में रिपोर्ट्स आई थी कि आपकी टीम आईपीएल में वापस खेलेगी।
ये माइक सीधा अभी तुम पे आने वाला है ये।
We hardly get to meet
प्रोडक्ट
Raj.
लॉन्च करने से पहले मैं माइक लॉन्च करने वाली हूँ।
Last. Shilpa.
Thank you guys.
Raj just wanted to get your reaction. How true is the news?
हर बार बेस्ट डील नहीं मिलती, बट बेस्ट डील पे बेस्ट डील मिलेगी.
This is for the shopping thing. Just want to ask, आप दोनों में से more of shopaholic कौन है?
ये कोई सवाल है? मैं sorry. I'm a self-confessed. You know, shopping is an art, and I'm an artist.
लेफ्ट साइड में हूँ मैं.
Shilpa on the left.
यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल लाइट के सामने.
ओके. हाँ शिल्पा जी, मेरा सवाल ये है जिम्मेदारियों को लेकर. जिम्मेदारी जब कहते हैं कंधों पर पड़ता है तो बचपन याद आ जाता है. तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर पड़ गई है ये बेस्ट डील को टीवी को लेकर?
बहुत ही डीप सा सवाल पूछा है आपने मुझसे. मेरी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. मेरी सारी जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ मैं अपने पति के कंधों पर छोड़ देती हूँ और हाँ वो संभाल लेते हैं मेरी जिम्मेदारियाँ.
I want to know that, you know, you guys are trying your level best to give best deals when it comes to your channel. But when you guys started considering that you are not from filmy families, was it expensive to be an actor because, you know, you have to project yourself in a certain light, be it clothes or lifestyle or whatever?
I really thank the stylists that have been introduced into our lives at this point. Firstly, it was really cumbersome to stand in front of the wardrobe and choose what you've not worn before because you've got the fashion police ready to shoot you down. But all said and done, I've totally digressed. What was the real question?
Was it expensive to be an actress?
It is expensive when you have to go and buy your own clothes and make sure that you make a style statement and at the same time, you know, you're doing something different and setting a trend. But I think, you know, it really depends on how seriously you take it. So there are times where I've repeated stuff and I honestly have reached a point where I don't care. But Neha is truly a fashion goddess, so actually you should be asking her this question.
Neha,
she's always so well turned out. It's annoying after a point.
Neha, same question for you. Was it considering that you are also from a non-filmy family, so was it expensive to be, you know, start in film industry?
But how do you know that my dad couldn't afford to buy me expensive clothes?
I'm just saying, I'm not saying that your dad, I'm not saying that, you know, whether it's a question of affordability or not. I'm just saying that when you have to project yourself in a certain light, you know, was it expensive, like, not the point that, you know, your family could afford it or not?
You know, I have to clarify that by saying that expensive clothes don't always make you look good. So I know how to, like, I mean, I don't say that I can put things together, but I do high street shopping. Like, in my head, I'm still a college girl who, like, works out of a monthly shopping fund, and I pretty much shop from there. And I don't, like, I mean, whether I wear a black skirt from Versace or whether I wear a black skirt from Zara or whether I wear a black skirt from eBay, had to put that in. But it's pretty much, it's how you carry the clothes off. But yeah, like Shilpa said, it is high pressure, and I feel like, you know, it's changing. There was a point where it was reaching a place where it was a lot of high pressure, but I think now actresses and models and public people, I mean, people who are in the limelight altogether have understood that and they're like taking it easy. But yeah, I mean, you spend when you have the money. When you don't make the big bucks, you don't spend. You kind of cut your, you just cut your coat according to your cloth. It's pretty simple.